want a bite from you.
Tortilla bite?
Okay.
Tortilla.
He just called the kitty Abigail.
Oh, it has egg.
Kids are eating. It looks messy in here, man. I gotta get rid of all this stuff that's on the couch. That's why it's there. I'm keeping that, of course, and everything right there. But I got some coffee news from Ocala. Some stuff we got from school. Gonna make a Easter egg basket for them tomorrow. And we're gonna dye some eggs tonight.
Eat the egg. Eat the garbage.
And we're having some cut cheese. My mom made some blackberry jam, and he's been eating cheese and jam. And made with xylitol. I stopped at Salvation Army. I got this one. These are good for the kids. I'm gonna organize them a snack plate. Probably around the time that Rafael gets home from school. You know what I mean? That'd be good. These are dip plates. 50 cents a piece. Good for me. This stuff I love. Pimento cheese spread. All right. Okay, so we just ate salad.
Did you hear what she told me?
What'd she say?
You look a baby eating finger.
You look like a baby eating finger.
Yeah.
She has a sass to it.
Yeah.
And then we'll jump in.
Here, Abigail.
We just ate salad. It was like Israeli salad. Oh, it's 13 o'clock. Like Israeli salad, tomato, cucumber, onion, tuna, and guacamole.
Avocado.
Avocado, spicy guacamole. It was very good. Very good salad. And now he's eating my mom's blackberry jam with cheese. Sharp cheddar is very good with blackberry jam. All right, so this concludes our Easter day egg hunt. How was your first experience at an egg hunt?
No, not my first experience. It's my second one.
Kinda. Oh yeah, you went to Waldo.
Yeah.
Okay. How was this experience?
Pretty good. It's
Yeah.
for the kids. It's chill.
Definitely. Everybody was really nice. Kids were super nice. People say ma'am. They say sir.
To who?
Us.
Really? I didn't hear that.
Yeah, they're very nice. Everybody was loving the kids. They were just really nice there.
Kids were loving that too.
Yeah, loving it. It's good stuff. We're going to have to get crackers and bread. Okay, so we'll see you tomorrow. We have some more Easter stuff to do tomorrow because tomorrow is actually Easter. Today was the day before Easter. And I'm still not sure what we're going to do, but I think it's going to be special with my mom and dad. Not sure. And I forgot how to end a vlog, so I had to come back and say goodbye to you. And I hope that you had a very nice Easter and a wonderful weekend, a really chill, happy weekend. And if you celebrated Passover, that too.
For sure.
Because we didn't do very much for
passed.
that. Yeah, it's already passed, and I didn't even know it was Easter and Passover coming up. Like, it caught me by surprise. So we didn't do anything. It's not planned. So have a good weekend, guys.
Have a good weekend.
Yeah.
What do you want?
Tortilla.
You want tortilla?
Yeah.
What are you gonna do? Are we gonna make it with me?
Yeah?
What about mommy?
I don't know.
What? What do you mean? Maybe mommy wants some too.
Yeah.
You want to make one for mommy too?
Yeah?
All right, let's do it.
Do it.
Okay. Thought I stepped on something.
Do
Usually
it.
I kill it when I
Make
step
it
on it.
one. Make
So I have to
it
step up.
tortilla.
All right. What would you like me to do?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I got beef.
Yeah.
Come to it.
That's a,
This is one of the many benefits of this.
We don't eat it yet.
We have beef, salad,
salad.
auxiliary items,
Salad.
and tortilla.
Tortilla.
What about a child? You want a child?
Yeah.
Can we eat you?
No.
I think Abigail's tastes.
No.
I want a bite from you.
Tortilla bite.
Okay.
Tortilla.
Tortilla.
Tortilla. I got one for Daddy.
Okay, put it right there. We're not done yet. We're not ready. Gotta make one for Rafael too. He's very tired right now.
Yeah.
He is laying down.
What is this? What's this?
Tortilla.
Tortilla.
Yeah.
Tortilla.
Hey, tortilla.
That's salad.
Where's our plate at?
And the salad has guacamole and sour cream in it. So, don't really need anything else. There you go. We also
no.
have salsa.
Daddy.
You want me to fold it?
If you'd like salsa.
Who's this for?
Whoever.
Alright.
I'll take that one.
You want to fold it?
Yeah.
No salsa?
Hold it. Let's see.
No salsa on it? You're going to eat all of this?
No.
Why is this one for you then?
You can have it if you want. Or I can have it for the kids. Yeah, that'll be Rafael's. He likes
That's
all that.
Rafael.
Yeah. He likes his salad.
Daddy. It's here. I take the bite.
What's in
Don't
the
take a
mama?
bite of that tortilla.
It's it. It's the bite.
Don't take a bite.
I take the bite.
Don't
Alright,
take the
Rafael.
bite.
It's ready for you.
No.
Looks pretty good to me.
Nice. Looking good. Come on, let's eat.
You already got the next one for us?
Yeah.
Got the next one out?
Rafael.
Yeah. Next one for me.
This one is for you, Abigail?
You can eat
Don't
when
take a
you're
bite
done,
off of it.
Okay. But you gotta eat first because you'll be really hungry.
Don't take a bite out of it, Abigail. Hold on.
Daddy.
Girly.
I take this.
There you go.
Whoa. Don't take any more off.
Do you want salsa, Rafael?
You're asking the kid who doesn't want to eat hot. Do you want
It's not
some?
hot, it's mild.
He doesn't like it. For sure. Abigail! Don't eat it.
Is she taking bites of all of them?
Probably.
Abigail, we don't need your DNA all over our food, okay?
Yeah.
Thanks.
Oh. Daddy.
Girly.
Daddy.
This is yours, Abigail.
This
Ready.
one.
Go ahead. Bye.
Bye.
Oh, they don't have room to sit there.
Not made it.
Do you want yours with everything in it?
Yeah, just a little bit of everything.
Alright.
Okay, go eat.
Is this mine?
This was so much yours.
Is this mine?
Excuse me, Kitty. She's trying to take my chair.
She knows where to sit.
Excuse me.
Do you want some salad in it too?
Yeah,
You want salsa in it too?
Nah.
I don't want sauce in it.
No, you don't? You don't like sauce?
Go.
Okay, cool. I put sour cream and guacamole in the salad. It's already in there. And you got lots of beef. Is it very tasty? Yeah. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Okie dokie.
Dookie dookie.
Kitty?
Mine has beef on it.
Yeah, everybody's gonna get beef. Beef with salad.
Yeah. He made the couch that good and you need to help Daddy and Mommy.
What do you want?
Mommy,
What?
we gotta help Daddy.
With
You
what?
can help, Daddy.
Happy with what?
Tortillas.
Oh, I'm done. Go ahead and sit down, Rafael.
He needs to get a drink. I think he's a little delirious. He's tired.
Alright, mine ended up the best.
Yours?
It's a lie.
Don't do it here. Do it outside, please. It'll, like I just, spent all that time.
If you were ever wondering why we get this vacuum, it's because it does a fantastic job at getting everything that you don't.
That's like desert silt.
That's
This house has never been vacuumed like
It's
this
never been
until we got here. And I
Yeah.
keep the hardwood floors clean,
Yeah.
but there's an entire room with a carpet on it.
Perfect. And I am a vacuumer. I vacuum. I vacuum. I'm like a detailer vacuumer. Yeah. I could not believe the amount of grease in the hamburger here. It is crazy. Abigail? Oh, baby.
What happened?
I don't know what happened, Abigail. What happened?
Too bad. Oh.
You hurt yourself.
Yeah.
All right, Daddy, brush your teeth.
Yeah.
You got help brushing your teeth?
I did by myself.
Okay. All right, time to go to bed then. Daddy's gonna come in and tuck you in. Okay?
Yeah.
You okay?
I can. Yeah.
Okay. Daddy will help you. I'll be in to say goodnight in a minute. Get in the bed. All right, get in the bed. That thing is, we have a strip of wood that separates the two different woods in the living room and the kitchen, and it is 1 inch tall, and I trip over it every time. If somebody came in here and was in an emergency and they were running through here, they would trip over it too and fall down. And depending on how hard you landed, you could go through this sliding glass door and really seriously hurt yourself. Anyway, we have to cut that down. This is my garbage bin just for today when I was making food, but do you see all that? It actually looks like adipose tissue. That was fat from just one thing, small thing of hamburger. That is too much fat in hamburger, in my opinion. Now, in Israel, it didn't matter what kind of hamburger we got. We never had, this is fat from the hamburger.
Oh, I know.
I can't believe it.
I tasted it last time. It's very fatty.
I can't believe it.
But that's why you get it from the butcher, and you get it just like different cuts will have different percentage of the fat on.
We're gonna have to get
So
different
you got the money?
hamburger.
Go see you got the money.
This is Walmart brand, and you can tell it's like, it's pink instead of being like red. Like our meat is red, and
Really?
it's red and white,
Yeah,
right?
red.
Red meat
Come
and
to you.
fat. And this is just like pink, and I think they added fat to it or something. It's just really fatty. So we've been getting this spring mix, and another thing, it says organic. This, I don't know when we got it. This is harvest after 3/15. I don't know what this means. Best if used by April 7th. This is a month old.
We got it a month ago?
Yeah. When we moved here.
3 weeks ago.
Isn't that gross?
Yeah.
Like, if we bought salad and had it for 3 days in Israel, it would be bad.
Because
It would be slimy.
fresh there.
Yeah, but this is organic. So they're not allowed to actually do anything to it. Because it's organic.
You say that, but it's a big topic.
Yeah, right?
All right, then. Good night.
Good night. Good night. Yeah, I'm gonna come in there and say good night to you.
Good night, Abigail. Go ahead and get in bed. Mommy will be there in just a minute. Run. Run. You want a hug, don't you?
You better run, squirrel.
No,
You're not an aminal?
I'm not.
You're not an aminal?
I'm not.
What do you mean you're not an animal? You not an animal?
Why would you be an animal?
Because you said-
An animal.
What did you tell her she is? You said run, squirrel?
Oh, I said you better run, squirrel.
She said I'm not an animal.
I'm not an animal. Okay, I got
She's
ya.
smart.
I
She's
understand.
literal.
Yeah, I understand.
Oh, you
Abigail.
understand her now?
Yeah, I got ya.
All right.
Okay.
Yeah, she's been very tired, so.
Yeah,
Love this new kitchen, don't you?
yeah, love it. I love it. Look, we can, we could have a party in here. It's huge.
Yeah,
It's humongous.
it is. It's nice.
Yeah, I'm really very happy with everything, really. The kids are gonna eat this salad tomorrow. They love salad. Love it. This lettuce we bought a month ago and still good.
Lighting is looking a little better.
Yeah, it is.
We're in the right direction now, so you should have plenty of it. It's actually kind of funny to have concerns like that. I was never concerned with how light would look on me. I just wanted to have it decent, you know, be lit.
Be lit.
Around here.
Yeah.
But when you're vlogging, you have to really nail it.
Makes a difference, doesn't it?
Yeah.
The vlogs have been so dark and so yellow. Makes a difference, especially with like thumbnails and stuff.
Have a good night.
Have a good night. Sweet dreams. See you in the morning.
That's what we tell
Love
the kids.
you. Those 4.
Comment if you can. Share the videos.
All right, don't be too shocked or surprised. Oh no!
Okay, good.
It could be bad. Because I can't open it. Rafael is super excited. He is going to go to school today.
Oh, you like it?
Oh yeah! And you're going to have